Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gazza9919 here, and you join me on what is an absolutely beautiful day. We got a couple of things going off today, and I think I'm just going to do it all as one big video rather than just doing a couple of little videos. Basically, I've got to go scrapyard because I've got to try and find some fog lights for Dennis. It's not the end of the world if I can't, but I'm going to at least try. And then we have a car meet tonight, so it's going to be a case where, you know, we abiding by the current COVID guidelines. We're saying everybody behave themselves because we will be hosting, and yeah, it's basically just a case of everyone's on the best behavior, otherwise the registrations will be jotted down and they'll be reported. It's simple as that. Because, you know, as car enthusiasts, we don't really, we like to admire other people's cars. If you want to skid about and be an idiot, you know, save that for some private land or like a track somewhere. There's no need to be doing that while we're at a meet with loads of people around. But yeah, let's start the day off and let's get stuff done. I think first on the agenda, let's get to the scrapyard. Right then, so we did try to go to the scrapyard, but unfortunately there was no Mark 5s there. So we've just abandoned that and we've just cleaned the cars instead. For some of you that may or may not know, Chloe has a Mark 5 as well, so I'm going in Dennis and she's going in her Mark 5, What as we like to call her. So yeah, we're just gonna have a Mark 5 convoy basically down there. Both cars are nice and shiny. So apart from that, there's nothing more really to say. Let's head to the meet. Right then, so we stopped off at Asda to meet up with someone else to convoy with. And yeah, he's gonna be late, so we're just gonna head down to the meet now. So yeah, let's get to it and see what the turnout is. I'm honestly quite scared because I fear it might get shut down with the amount of cars that could turn up, because there might be quite a lot, but we will have to find out. Right then, so we have arrived, and there's quite the turnout, to be fair. Let's get recording some of these nice cars that have turned up today. Do go out, but don't go out. But do go to the pub, but don't go to the pub. Right then guys, so it's now the next morning after the meet. It turned out to be a really good meet, you know, thank you to everybody who went and behaved themselves. There was a few that sort of decided to skid about a bit, but thankfully that didn't ruin it for everybody else. You know who you are and you know that you was in the wrong. We had our rules, and you know, rules are there not to be broken. They are there to be abided to, because at the end of the day we're all car people just trying to enjoy each and everyone's cars. So yeah, but luckily it didn't get shut down or anything, and it was an awesome turnout, and the vast majority of people behaved themselves, so that's all that matters. Hope you enjoyed this video, hope you saw your car in there if you did go to the meet, and that is it for this video really. So if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time guys, peace.